Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Jay, welcome to the channel. So today I'm doing something that I absolutely hate doing, but I want to just get to destination. So today I'm meeting Si, Moist Decoy, and we are going over to Wales. So it's inevitable that I've had to come on a motorway to get down and meet him at Congleton. I could have gone a different way, more scenic roads, but I just want to get here. With it being quite early as well, I'll say quite early, it's 9:45. It's not been too bad, to be fair, so I've just hit a bit of traffic here. There's quite a few cameras on this road as well, so I've just got to be careful, but yeah, going to meet up with Moist Decoy and then we're heading over to Wales. We're going to visit his parents at some point, and then I think we're just going to have a nice bumble round or bimble round, so it should be fun. So it's just me and Moisty today. Many happy returns to you, Motovlog UK, Dave. When you see this, it'll probably be the next year's birthday, mate. but yeah, enjoy the ride. So I'll switch you back on when we've got something a little bit more interesting. Right, so we're about 4 miles away from Moist. He's just rang me, said he's there, so that'll be pretty decent timing, wasn't it? Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, where are you, mate?
You alright, mate?
Hey, Paul, whereabouts are you?
I'm just across the road from Morrison's.
Oh,
Watch you pull in.
Oh, sorry, mate. Yeah, I've come in because didn't we say we're meeting here?
Yeah, it's alright. I'll come over to you, mate.
All right, mate. There's no parking though. Is it better over there where you are?
Have you got petrol?
I will need some.
Is there a petrol station there?
I can't see one. I'm actually in a bit of an awkward position. I can't see nothing, mate, to be honest. I just see a load of cars.
Hang on, I'm in Morrison's now, mate. I'm coming up to you.
All right, you just see me parked on the left after the main doors, just before the ramp down to the car park.
I can see you.
Oh, there were 3 cars on the ramp reversing up, so I had to pull over to let them pass because I think they would have ploughed into me. I can see you here. Where do you want to go? Because we're going to get something to eat and a coffee, mate.
Yeah, if you want. Where shall we go? Right, you should go here, Morrison's.
That's what I thought. Yeah, they do breakfast.
Yeah?
They do breakfast or sandwich, weren't they?
Yeah.
Are you alright with that?
Yeah, cool.
I've not eaten, you see. I need something to eat.
Yeah, let's get downstairs and park up, and then.
Alright then, mate. Let me just. Yeah, there was a DPD van on the ramp there, and he was reversing back. So then there were 2 cars behind him, and then me behind them.
Wouldn't I bet?
Which way do you want to go, mate?
Go down there, down to additional parking and exit.
Right. Okay. What's your head? Can you get out this way then?
Yeah, there's the exit down here as well, apparently.
Oh yeah. My lights have just come on automatically.
Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
I didn't know they did that.
It's good how that happens, mate.
Yeah, I didn't even know that did that, mate. They just switched on, even my spots have come on.
Yeah, they've got sensors on, haven't they? There's a Bear Grylls cafe and thing right on the car park.
Okay, mate, I'll follow you then. Alright.
Good night, mate.
Go on, Paul. Oh, shit. You stole it.
Oh, steady. I'll wait here.
Sorry. We're in fucking 3rd gear.
Yeah.
I don't know. Right, so we just had some lovely breakfast at the Bear Grylls Cafe at Congleton. Well, nice, really nice service as well. And we've got Mr. Moist Decoy. Say hello, Moisty.
How do? How's it going?
I don't even know if we've done this. Have we done this for mine?
No.
Have we introduced you?
No.
Well, do you know what, mate? I'll introduce you again, because you're a top bloke. Moist Decoy.
Hiya.
So we've got a bit of a plan today, haven't we, mate? We're heading over to your parents, and then we're going to end up somewhere in Snowdonia.
Oh yeah.
Going up some, what we're going to do, some proper off-road mountain trekking on bikes.
Well, I can always set the sat nav to gravel tracks, mate.
Yeah. I don't think we're quite ready for that. I think if I were going to do that, mate, I'd probably just do it local. So if I fell off, I wouldn't have far to walk home. So yeah, so we're gonna. So when I get some decent roads, I'll switch you back on. See you in a bit, guys. So,
Sewn in.
where are we, mate?
This is Ellesmere, I think. Just on the Welsh border.
Oh, it's nice just coming for a stop, isn't it? And then the joy of having these bikes, you see, we can just go where we want, basically. But yeah.
Yeah, do we?
No, mate, having a good day.
I am, mate.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Brilliant.
But yeah, we just had a bit of a stop. I'm going to take up smoking, me, because I feel left out when we stop. I might have a Rennie. Might suck on a Rennie.
You usually do.
Or I might go and knock one out, actually. So yeah, so we've just stopped here, this place here, and it's fantastic roads, nice and steady away. Just come a bit off-roading. Moist is doing his daily routine, look. That's what smoking does for you. Don't do it, kids.
Is that windy down here, mate?
Ah, it is. Oh, it isn't, yeah. It's a bit chilly.
Yeah. Temperature's definitely dropped.
Yeah.
There's a garage before the roundabout, mate, if you want to pull in there.
Yeah, we'll do, mate.
There's a parking area at the one end.
Yeah.
Just trundle down to there. Careful though, because it's really gravelly. We're just going to have 5 here, mate.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Might go for a piss as well if that's open. Oh,
Oh, shit.
oh fucking, what are you doing?
Rolling off the fucking scent side stuff.
Is it in gear, mate?
Going down. I'm not having a good day today, am I?
I'm sorry, mate, I gotta laugh at you. It's funny.
Oh.
Did recording as well. That's going in.
We're going just down here to that roundabout and we go up that valley.
Oh, nice. How far away are we?
About half an hour.
Oh, is it all? Yeah. Nice.
Half hour, 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just call me dad because he'll be worrying.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the MILE Motorbike Pass.
Oh, you can hear that wind now.
Yeah. Right, till we get over the top, mate.
Yeah.
It's going to get wet, it's going to be on top of this mountain. Just up here, there's a right-hand turn.
Yeah.
Takes you down into the village, Dinasmordy.
Okay.
And there's a path that takes you up that mountain.
Right. Bloody hell.
But you can actually drive it in the car. It's an actual road.
Wow.
A B road, it's a nightmare. Be perfect on these though.
Yeah. Well, if you know what you're doing on them.
Well, simple road stumped me.
Did we touch any of these last time we came to Wales? You know, when we came as a group on bikes?
Yeah.
Did we touch any of these roads that we've been on today?
No, none of them.
No. Come from a completely different direction, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we came from the north and down, whereas this time we come from the north, but we've cut through the middle and gone through the middle, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Is that a waterfall in front there, look?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, up the top.
Yeah, two of them
Yeah.
coming down together.
Oh, yeah. Righty-tighty-tighty.
Righty-tighty.
Right-hand turn without stalling.
I'm saying nothing.
Yeah, don't tell me, Daddy. He'll be embarrassed. He'll probably disown me.
That's a tight one. I was in the wrong gear then. I was in fourth.
But this road down here gets a bit narrow, so just be wary of oncoming traffic. Used to get a knobsack, an Uber driver or something. There we go.
I like dipped in and thought, shit. I like to straighten up and get at the other side just as you were saying it. You did warn me. It's not my fault you stalled your bike. I didn't even laugh at you this time. I just thought, what a
yeah, thank me. Well, come on, mate. It was only a matter of time. Come on.
yeah. I love it. I've seen more rolls this year.
Yeah. And not a gym mat in sight either.
You're that elegant, mate. You didn't need a gym mat.
Yeah, commando training kicked in, mate.
Yeah.
Special forces.
Yeah, no, it's alright.
So they go swimming in there.
Do they?
Yeah, they do open lake swimming and shit. You can hire boats and stuff.
But it's freezing.
It's a bit chilly today. It's like winter down here.
Something's just hit my visor. I think it were a, I don't know if it were, I don't think it were a stone. I think it were a bee or something.
Yeah, I heard it.
Did you hear it?
Sounded like a sheep.
Yeah, a lamb. It's in my top box now for later. It's simmering in my top box.
Yeah.
I didn't do my visor.
Oh no, well we can stop and clean up, mate.
Yeah.
I didn't do mine either.
It's alright, mate. It's just like looking through a colander.
You know.
These sheep and that keep running, you know, and we're going past them, so we must be putting out some decibels.
Yeah, it's the low end, mate. It's probably rattling the fucking owls.
Yeah.
Those swans are always there.
Are there?
Yeah, they've always been on that lake.
Are they plastic?
They probably are, actually.
Just so you know, I am recording.
Oh, yeah, sorry, mate. I do apologise. Me and my filth potty mouth. I am so sorry.
It's all right, it's all right, mate. I wasn't going to say it, but then I think you've done about 10 in the last...
Oh, you kidding me? See, I didn't know. If you'd have said you were recording, mate, I'd have kept it clean.
Yeah.
I say jolly jolly what. I do apologise.
It's alright, mate.
Clean from now on, mate.
Okay.
These roads are jolly nice, aren't they?
Twat. No, they're very nice.
Bit naughty, cutting the bend, but anyway.
I know. It's all on camera, mate. I'll once I've used the footage I need, the rest is going to go to South Yorkshire Police, mate.
This is a nice road, isn't it?
It's very nice. Do it.
Right, we're in.
We're in. Whoa, look at this.
Superb. You alright, pal? You alright, fellas?
We're doing just backing in.
Yeah. On tiptoe.
Yeah. Tiptoe. Don't you come off. So we just stopped here and look at it. Very windy. And we just went to this nice place up here called, what's it called? Loch Calf. We're all, I don't even know where we are. Yeah. Stop for chips.
Balla Lake, mate. Balla. Lake Balla.
I think we're about, what are we, 2.5 hours away from home? 2.5 hours away from home.
Nearer 3, probably.
Nearer 3, and it's getting dark, and we're still in Wales.
But we don't care, do we, pal?
No. Did you bring your passport, mate? Look at these. I don't know if you can see them guys over there, but they're just mental.
It's got boards stapled to their ankles.
Yeah, look. Yeah, keeps falling off, doesn't it? But what a nice place this is. Really nice. Wouldn't fancy going and getting that boat from out there, mate, though, would you?
No. Fancy the swim, would you?
No. So yeah, we're just going to finish his chips, then we're back on the road, and then that's today's adventures done. So I think that's it for today, guys. What do you reckon, mate?
Been a good day though, hasn't it?
It's been a good day. I really enjoyed it. What's that supposed to be?
Chips though.
Looks like half a clothes peg. No, these chips were really nice though.
Big chips, big chunky chips.
Yeah, I don't know why they taste fishy though.
I'll tell you what. We know why.
Yeah, that's pre-dipping the potatoes before they go in the fryer. I've got to tell you where though.
First pass, second pass.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a stuff for 6 on today.
I do like a nice potato.
All like you to get involved. So yeah. So from me, Crazy Legs, and from
Moisty.
Moisty, if you don't know who he is, Moisty Coy. Crazy Legs. Every day's an adventure.
See you later.
Crazy out.